Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Mnbridge token. Ticker symbol is MNB. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Mnbridge token is the name of the token. MNB is the ticker symbol. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing May 9th, 14 hours UTC time, on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search MNB, and then simply just buy the token. May 9th, 14 hours UTC time, that's when it gets listed. So Mnbridge is a revolutionary crypto gaming ecosystem built on a bridge platform that connects Web 2 games to the growing blockchain space. By leveraging its in-house developed play-to-earn game, NFT marketplace, and a unique off-chain game token, the MNP token, Mnbridge offers game developers, gamers, and investors a seamless and efficient gaming experience. In addition, Mnbridge incorporates cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology to enhance the platform's functionality and provide users with personalized experiences. So, the MNP token, that stands for Moon Nation Points, and you can use that within the application. So, the MNB token is the multi-chain native token of Mnbridge and is used to buy Moon Nation points, which serves as the currency for all existing and future games integrated into the platform. MNP is unique in that it is not a blockchain-based currency and it maintains a constant value of 0.01 USD per MNP. Total supply of the MNB token is 1 billion tokens, and they have different rounds for sales here: seed round, private sale, public sale. So when it gets fully listed, that's when it gets listed on Mexc Global. So tokenomics are split up in all sorts of different ways. Now, 25% of the tokens go to liquidity and staking, 12% team, 18% development, 0.5% community airdrops, 0.5% central exchange airdrops, 18.8% marketing, 4% strategic partners and advisors, 4% ecosystem fund, 4% in-game rewards, 3% seed round, 4% private sale, 6% public sale. So there's different vesting schedules for the seed round, private sale, public round, team developing, marketing, partners, advisors, and airdrops. You can check out those on their paper. If you want to find their white paper, by the way, their webpage is mnbridge.io. If you want to find their white paper, just go to mnbridge.io/files/whitepaper.pdf. So the MNG token, which has been driving the Moon Nation project since May 2021, boasts a remarkably low supply of 384.4 million tokens, with all tokens already in circulation. This feature is particularly appealing to investors interested in deflationary tokens, as it ensures that the value of existing tokens will not be diluted by the introduction of new ones. So MNG is the governance token that will empower the community to participate in important decisions about the game's future. MNG token also features automatic burn mechanisms triggered by MNB token, the new token. So triggered by the MNB token transactions, resulting in a deflationary supply. So there's airdrop of 20% of the total investment of MNG, guarantees in each funding round of 20% of revenue of Mnbridge gaming platform, calculated quarterly. These airdrops will be distributed to MNG holders based on the size of their holdings in proportion to the total supply of MNG. So then we have the Moon Nation points. We'll go over that quickly. So Mnbridge introduces an off-chain game token called the Moon Nation points, MNP, which serves as the currency for all existing and future games integrated onto the platform. Users can only purchase MNP using the native token MNB, and MNP can be transferred instantly between users and the Mnbridge platform without any fees, even if the recipient does not have a blockchain wallet. So the benefits of MNP is enhanced user experience, easy adoption for non-crypto users, high speed, feeless in-game transactions. So it's got cross-game compatibility, greater flexibility for game developers, integration with the Mnbridge ecosystem. It's got they have an NFT marketplace, and in addition to the benefits offered by MNP, the Mnbridge ecosystem provides value through games and monetizing the games and developers and yada, yada, yada. There's developer support, there's scalability and future growth, there's integration with artificial intelligence, personalized recommendations, improved platform functionality, enhanced security, fraud detection and prevention, predictive analytics, and dynamic game mechanics. So some of their games are like Moon Nation is one of the games. It goes over the gameplay on their white paper. They have another game called The Last Stand. They have all sorts of different games on here, different tokens, NFTs, and then you can go over the roadmap of when each thing is launched. They also have a revenue model, team section where their team is doxed, legal disclaimer, conclusion, all that stuff's on their white paper. Check it out. You can find all the info mnbridge.io, and you can find this token newly listed, the MNB token, on MEXC Global, May 9th, 14 hours UTC time. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.